So Will and I right now are in the reference room, and we're about to talk about the paint system that we use and why we select certain paints. We've had a lot of people on our social media ask us questions. I wanted the pro in here. I'm just kind of here more as, I'm just here to support him. We'll answer the Q&As the best that we can. All right. So people ask about the solid color cars, like our 1970 Barracuda tribute car that you just finished painting.
FE5 Rally Red.
FE5 Rally Red, and if it was a Dodge?
Bright red.
Cue cards are over there. Bright red.
It's not a cue card, it's a computer.
Is that car a solid color car or is it a metallic based car?
Well, it's red, solid.
It's a solid, okay. What I'd like to know is what type of paint did you paint it with? The brand and the product.
PPG single stage.
Which is called Concept.
Yeah.
Okay, the reason we do it with that and not a base coat clear coat is?
Saves the customer money and it gets done twice as quick and it lasts longer. And the finished product on a single stage, the shine that it does, especially on a red, is really a bright, vibrant color.
He's right on all those counts. If you go back and you look at the cars that we've done in the past, whether it was the 72 Charger or the Alpine White 1970 Plymouth Superbird, you look at those and they look 10 times better than they ever did at the factory. Well, we're sorry. But today's products allow us to be able to do that. And so on our 1970 Plymouth Barracuda Tribute Car 446 barrel 4-speed Dana Super Track Pack FE5 Rally Red with a black top and black interior. That car is painted in PPG's Deltron Concept single stage urethane paint.
Yep.
Every panel has the exact same number of coats on it.
That's why it matches and looks
good. It has been wet sanded and buffed and looks perfect. Now,
so we're good.
If you had the same paint code, FE5, Foxtrot Echo 5, in a Dodge Challenger, what is that paint code called?
I think we're getting off topic.
I don't think we are. Go on. No, it's okay.
I can call Tony.
You can call anybody you want, but why don't you answer the question right now?
I'm not comfortable doing it because we didn't discuss
Well, we've ruled out Rally Red because that's what Plymouth called it.
Right.
What would you, just take a wild guess at what Dodge might have called it. Red? He's half right. Bright red. That's what Dodge called it.
Bright red or rally red?
Yeah.
It's right there.
Anyway, you did much better, much more.
Okay, I don't like doing these at all. Thanks for the question. If you have any future questions, just jump on Twitter or Instagram. Do you have a Snapchat?
Facebook.
I was good there.
Oh, sorry. No, I don't have a chat. I don't know what that is.
Any social media platform, and we'll make sure we get them answered.
And maybe next time you just do this by yourself, right?